Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be here again, and today I want to share with you how I make my vermicillin jollof rice. So let's get into the ingredients. This is a very short video because I'm not going to start from scratch. I have my already made stew. So I'm going to add my washed rice. I have some spaghetti. I have eggs. I have one beef cube, and I have my kebab sausages. So let's get into the video. I'm going to add a little oil into my rice cooker. Then I'll break my spaghetti into small pieces so I can easily fry it, and it will also distribute evenly when I add it to my rice later. When I was younger, I used to make this without putting oil in the pan first, but I don't really like the smell of a burning pan, so I just add the oil to ease it up. For those who already know me, this would be a new setting for you, and you may be wondering where I am standing. Well, I'm in my kitchen in school. I'm a University of Ghana mathematics student. So I welcome you all to my school kitchen, and this is the first and last time you'll be seeing me here. The goal here is to constantly stir this so that it browns evenly. And this browning process can take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how brown you want the spaghetti to be. So this is how I normally want my color to be. So I just pour it into a bowl and set it aside. Please don't put it into a plastic bowl because it's very hot. So normally a ceramic bowl or a glass bowl is better for this. And then I'm adding my stew to my rice cooker to heat it up a little before I add my rice to it. Please, if you are still watching, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like my videos. I already have 2 other videos on my channel. Also comment if you have any other way you make your jollof. Now I'm adding my rice to the stew, and I want to stir it very well so that every grain of rice is coated with the stew. So I added water to my mixture, and I'll add my cube later. When making jollof or cooking rice, you can always add more water, but you can't take out what you already added. So the goal is to always add a little water at first, and you can add more when you check the rice for its texture later. And now I'm going to lay my eggs in the steam basket and make the steam cook it through. So now I check my rice and stir it all together, because normally the stew settles and the rice on top doesn't really get the color. This is the point where you can add more water if the consistency is not what you desire. So at this point, I add my browned spaghetti to the rice, and I stir it very well so that it's evenly distributed. And also I'll add my carrot at this time because I don't want them to be too hard and so fresh when I'm eating the jollof. I'm also going to add my kebab sausages into the steam basket just to heat it up. Then after a while, my food is ready. I don't know why I always get excited when I see steam coming out from my food. Now it's time to dish it out. I want to dedicate this video to Abalojitsin. Thanks for being the best roommates in the world. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share, and also comment. And go to Instagram and follow my page, All Brian Loves Food, and like my post as well. Thank you for watching and see you again.